So, have you also experienced the Sony MDR-XB Extra Bass series headphone swivel hinge problem? This problem appears quite often in Sony MDR-XB 950 and XB 650 PT headphones. If you have, then don't be sad. Let's fix it together so that it never breaks again. You'll be happy and headphones will sound as juicy as before. So today we'll show you how to glue and fix Sony MDR-XB 950 N1 or B1 headphones with damaged broken plastic swivel hinge part. To do this you'll need some DIY tools and baking soda. Yes, that's right, baking soda and superglue. And here's our patient, Sony MDR-XB 950 B1 bass head headphones. To fix them, they have to work. If the cable is broken, then they cannot be repaired. So if they sound right for you at the moment, then spare the cable and get on with fixing the headphones. Should be easy. Take a small Phillips screwdriver and unscrew the two screws to get to the damaged part. Remove the cover, but remember where each part is. Then use painter's tape to tape off the areas that should not be covered with glue. Take superglue and apply it on the end of the headband, where the damaged part of the swivel starts. Now it's important to glue the other part correctly, just like it was originally. Hold this part until it sticks. I don't know if you understood, but after the repairs, this half of the headphones will not rotate anymore. It will be in a fixed position. Then put glue in the loose places where these two plastic parts join together. Now take the white powder from grandfather's bedside table, which he usually takes when he has runny nose, and rub it on the surface where you applied the glue. I'll tell you a secret. That white powder, or baking soda, together with the superglue makes instant cement. Be warned though that you should only do this in the presence of your parents, or if you're at least 18 years old. Now let's put headphones back together. Put the wire in where it should be and screw the two parts together. Then screw in all the other screws. Stick the painter's tape on here too, so that we can get on with the final gluing stage and complete this repair. Fill this gap with superglue, but make sure that the glue gets in. And of course rub grandpa's powder on top. Together these substances will form the instant cement that will hold our headphones together. Wipe off the excess baking soda with your grandmother's toothpick, but don't forget to put it back afterwards. And put some more superglue on top to get a strong structure. And of course rub the powder on top again to form a second layer of instant cement. This procedure with glue and soda powder should be carried out all around this part. At least 2 coats, only in this way will these headphones be able to withstand the Hulk. But no jokes, let's glue them together, because the Techscrew team is responsible for making sure that you never break those headphones again. After 3-5 hours, when our glue has dried, you can do a durability test. As you can see, the glue side is not easily breaking anymore. Our experience shows that the glue side never breaks, only the other side. But just be careful and both sides won't break anymore. Easy. Then we use grandma's little nail file to file off the excess roughness all around to make it look smoother and prettier. Peel off all the painter's tape, because as you can see, the work is nearing its finish line. This is what the final result looks like. Now there are 3 options. Do nothing and be happy that headphones can be used again. Take some black nail polish, maybe this time from your mom, and polish the glued area. Or apply black masking tape over the surface, which we will do. It's quick and will give extra strength. 3 layers will do the job. If you want it to be more symmetrical, you can also roll it on the other side. That should be it. Of course it's visually obvious, but get over it, my dude. You just got back your expensive headphones for cheap. Additionally to that, it's impossible to buy these extra bass dream headphones anyway. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to support our money-saving DIYs, and leave a comment to make sure your grandparents know that their tools were very useful. Thanks once again and bye!